What's up, guys? Steve here from Cat Breaking Hill, getting ready for our second Chase the Greats Razz today. We already got 2 boxes to give away. We got 2 more coming up. We're going to be doing a couple of these. We're making way for our new Chase the Greats product coming out in a few weeks, so we got to get rid of the single hit boxes. We're going to be bringing the double hit Chase the Greats boxes again. So let's get this going. We still got a couple boomers left, so good luck. Top 2 after 4, as always, and it's 1:06 on the clock. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 1:06. 1:06. Last and final. Top 2. We got Robert, spot 7. Ryan, spot 4. Congrats, guys. Let me get your last and final timestamp here. Last and final timestamp on second Chase the Greats Razz is 1:06 and 1:06. So, Robert, you're going to get the 3rd box because we're going to go live now. We already got 2 giveaways. So, first 2 were the last Razz. Your 3rd box. And Ryan, you're going to be the 4th box. Congrats, guys. See you soon. Good luck. I'll tag you.